Welcome to the Tuple 1.0 game video tour. We're going to take a look. I've just started the application and it's loading for the first time. You can see we have our game ticker has started counting the time on this game. We have our cards dealt, some simple interface items. Our game stats are here, our player stats are here, and our lifetime stats are here. And there should be a little if statement executing that's putting in an anonymous name there, but that's okay, that's not happening. We have a little cheater here. I have gone ahead and put in the rules, which quickly and simply explain how to play the game. You can see that you need to create matches based on matching border colors or different border colors. Let me see, I'll leave the rule reading to you, but you can see that we have a really nice example of different ways. These are non-matches, things that might trick you into thinking that it's a match, but it's not. And then we have examples of shapes and etc. The scoring rules are here, and a little bit about the game and about the people behind making it, myself and Brendan Stern. And let me see, we have a Hall of Fame section here, which, because we don't have any players, is not actually putting anything out, but you can see it's all ready to output some nice reports of our highest scorers and people with most games finished, most games started, most time played, greatest amount of failures, greatest amount of tuples identified, and the best and worst lifetime tuple to failure ratios. Let's see, there's a new game button. You can hit this. You can create a variety of new games, but you can only play 5 games anonymously, so we're trying to encourage users to sign up. You can see in the lifetime stats when I click new games, it goes from 176. I can't create a new game now, so I'll go ahead and sign in. I believe I already have an account created. So now that I've logged in, you can see it has loaded the number of games I've played, the number of games I've finished, the time I've played. Obviously these aren't quite lifetime, these are more developer stats, but number of tuples identified, number of points, number of failures, time played, which it will be updated each time I make a selection of 3. Down here, lifetime tuples, failures, etc. You can see all of these stats will increment as I start playing. Now the reason I have been dealt 15 cards instead of 12 cards is because in the first 12 there must not have been a match, and if we go and show the cheats, you can see that there's only 1 match available out of 91 potential card matches. So I'm going to go ahead and play this game a bit, and so you can see how the game action works. You know, it's kind of hard to play the game and do the demo at the same time. It's like harder than chewing bubble gum and walking at the same time. So I made a successful tuple, and now I'll make a failure so you can see how that works. And see if I can make another one. Oh, it's tricky. Yep, it's a tricky game. Anyways, I was hoping to make it all the way through the demo and show you the game ending sequence, but truthfully, it's gonna get pretty long. A game is anywhere from like 20 to 30 minutes, probably. So you can see we have some nice feedback being provided in the form of bootstrap alerts. We have the bootstrap modals, which are actually doing some complex thing as far as their paginating. And it looks like there might be a little bug in that, which I have previously undiscovered. Yeah, but that's okay. I can go through and fix that. That's just some session variables changing. And then this is a really cool little use of the bootstrap, putting a menu into the modal. Pretty tricky there. And you can see I've dressed up the cheater section so that it actually shows like one cyan, diamond, blue. This will show the last card that you have selected, and it outputs it in a fairly nice format. And other than that, you can sign in, sign out, change your password, and play some tuple. So go ahead and give it a try. tuple.idometeor.com. Thanks.